guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Sam Baker, and today this is Tuesday, and this is actually already 10 to 2 in the afternoon, and Tuesday means market day. You can see I've got some stuff today from the market, from fresh vegetables, and I have as well some fruits, and I have as well pork as well. We get it from the butcher. And we got a tenderizer as well. So I'll show you what we bought today and how much we spent. Yeah, so every Tuesday here, like what I said, if you've seen my video before, every Tuesday is a market day, guys. So every Tuesday we go to the market because that's where you can get the local farmers. So they have like fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and you have as well the butcher, or you have as well the fishmonger where you can get the fish and all your like crabs, shrimps, they have that as well. They've got as well the poultry, which you can have as well. The chicken, you know, all the chicken from the head, feet, everything they've got in there. And like what I said, it's a very good market. And if you're after as well with garments, they've got that as well. So yeah, and they're really cheap, and everything that you need for the house, for your cooking, you can find it there in the market. So yeah, so we bought some stuff today, and we spend a bit today because we are starting a new regime of diet. So we're just going to start having some fresh fruits and some vegetables as well with our NutriBullet. And I tell you about that later on because we bought as well a NutriBullet. Well, I'll show you as well later. But that's not from the market, right? So I'm just going to concentrate now with what we bought in the market, and I'll talk about that later on. So today we bought here, which is pork chops. And in there, in the market, they have like a trays of meat, wherein it's only like 5 pounds. You can get beef slices, steak slices, or you can get as well pork chops. And the last time we get steak chops, slices of steak. So today we get pork chops. So with 5 pounds, you can get 6 pieces of pork chops, and they're quite thick and lean, so which is really good. So we get that today. So that's 5 pounds for 6 pieces of pork chop in the market. That one there in the meat section, by the way. And we have here as well, I bought this one, clementines. Look guys, they're nice. Look, they're tiny, but they're very sweet. And all of this in the bag is only 1 pound. If you see my video, everything in the market that's in the basin, they're all 1 pound. So yeah, so this one in one of the basin. So all of this, I don't know how many kilos is this clementine, but anyway, all of this for just 1 pound. And look, they look sweet, aren't they? So yeah, all of this, see that in the bag, they're only 1 pound in the market. And we bought as well bananas. Obviously, we love bananas. So all of this as well for 1 pound. There you go, guys. You've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of bananas for 1 pound. They're in the basin as well. And like what I said, if you haven't seen that video, you have to watch that and you'll see what I'm talking about. What they do in the markets, they put them in like small basins or like plates, right? And everything in that basin, a small basin, or that plate is only 1 pound. So it's really good in the market. So everything is just like 1 pound. Although if you want to get like a kilo of something, you can get them as well in a different section. But everything in the bowl, in the basin, and that is only 1 pound. So it's really good. So we have here as well. Oh yeah, I've got avocados. Look, 2 avocados, and they're 1 pound for 2. So that's a good buy, because in the supermarket, these ones, they're very expensive, the avocados. So when I saw this one, 2 for 1 pound, so I grabbed them because I love avocados. So that's one as well. And, oh, this one, we bought this whole bag of carrots, guys. Look how big they are. And these are carrots. Look, a lot of carrots. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15 carrots for 1 pound, guys. And they're good carrots, right? Look, they're still good. And it's only 1 pound for one whole basin. So we grabbed the whole one basin for £1. And this is good for like if you're making juice or you're making them for your cooking. So they're really good. So we get this, all of these guys for £1 only. And so that is really cheap compared to the supermarket. And we have as well Pop Choy. This one, Pop Choy. And this is ideal for stir fries, you see. And this is a pack of £1 for 2 pieces of Pop Choy for £1. So that is really good. We have here as well celery, guys. We get celery today. And this one is only 90p. See, it's good celery. Because I've been watching on YouTube and I've been reading about the celery. Apparently they're good for you, especially if you're trying to lose weight. So I'm going to do some celery juice that I can drink. And they're actually good as well for if you have arthritis or anything like that. So yes, I'm going to try that. So I bought this one and this is only 90p, which is good. And we bought, oh, this one. We bought as well this, guys. Beetroot, see? I know it's not like the beetroot that you see in the supermarket that is already like peeled and it's already like clean for you. But this is only £1.20 for 3. And they're really good as well for you. So I eat this with my salad, or I heard as well you can make this as a juice as well. So we're gonna try it out because we've been buying that bottle. I don't know if you're familiar with that. You can get a bottle of like the vegetables or fruit or green juice, and they have this flavor. So instead of buying that bottle for like £3, we're just gonna make our own. So yeah, 3 pieces, guys, of beetroot for £1.20 in the market. So that's really good. And I bought as well this one, a tenderizer, and this is only for £2. There you go. And this is good like if you're gonna make for tenderizing your meat, you know, for pork, for meat, any meat, you can use this one. So this is really good. And this is only £2, so I bought this one as well. And like what I said, on the way back, we stopped by in a shop and we bought this one. This one, guys, is like a NutriBullet, but this is a Magic Bullet. And it has 11-piece set. And this is only in promo for £25. See? So you can use different stuff like fruits or vegetables in it. And then at the sides as well, you can use it for chop, for mix, for blend, for mince, for grind, for grate. And here as well, you can use it for hummus, grated cheese, ground coffee, salsa, pesto sauce, guacamole, smoothies, and cocktails. And these are the 11-piece that's included inside. So you have actually the stainless steel cross blade, 1 tall cup, 1 short cup, plus 1 comfort lip ring. You have that. And you've got the 10-second recipe book user guide as well. And you've got 1 Stay Fresh resealable lid, which is good. So if you're like, you don't want to drink them all, you can just put the lid and keep it for the next day. Steamer shaker lid as well. And 1 high torch power blade. And 1 flip top lid. Plus 1 party mug and comfort lip ring. So everything, guys, for 11 pieces in this box. We get this only for £25, which is really good. And yeah, so if you want, I'll show you what's inside as well. But I'm going to make a separate video of that. So I'll just show you what we bought today. So I'll make a separate video with that one. So yeah, so I hope you like this video. And I hope you're having a good Tuesday afternoon. And whatever you're doing, be safe. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you again for my next one. Thank you. Bye. Bye.